Hi everyone, John Martinson here in the jungle in Cambodia. I'm the founder of Robolinux. We've been in business since 2011. You can call me Robo, everyone else does. Welcome to the brand new Robolinux Series 12 launch video. In a few minutes, I'm going to take you on a very brief tour of all three Series 12 LTS desktop versions, which took me over 500 hours to code for you. Robolinux is pleased to announce its completely brand new 100% free Series 12 versions available in Cinnamon, Mate, and Xfce desktop flavors. Built from scratch using Ubuntu 20.04 source code, which uses the Linux 5.4 kernel and provides hassle-free one-click video, Wi-Fi, and printer driver installation. This was a rigorous 7-month development cycle which provides our users with rock-solid long-term support versions that are good through 2025. Series 11 users will need to perform a fresh install. If a user needs migration support from an 11 series version to 12, they can reach out to Robolinux for help using the contact form on the robolinux.org website. You will notice that each ultra-fast and sleek Series 12 desktop version has been highly optimized with small 1.2 gigabyte to 1.7 gigabyte ISO download file sizes and the same modern ARC icons. To further reduce bloat, only a minimal number of essential applications are included, and those are Firefox, Deluge, torrent client, GIMP, Shotwell, Atril PDF Viewer, Brasero, VLC, Audacious, gparted, synaptic, system cleaner, htop, a calculator, a text editor, and screenshot. You will find a blue icon launcher on each 12 series desktop, offering users an optional one-click upgrade path to Robolinux 12 Plus, which provides them with a plethora of innovative advanced applications written by me, extremely popular one-click app installers, monthly custom updates and upgrades, along with something unique, which no other Linux distro provides to their users, weekly live streaming Q&A and user-requested tutorial video sessions. Okay, now I'm going to take you on the very brief tour of all three Series 12 desktops. This is Cinnamon, as you can see here. All new icons. And let's take a look at what's in the optional Robolinux 12 Plus. And as you can see, there's a review, and this was a review of the final version of 11, and everything that's in the 11 version is now in the 12 Plus. So this is probably was the best review we ever had. Something for people to read. Now, the Robolinux 12 Plus can be installed in one click, and I'm going to show you how to do it right here in this video. So there are many things that you get with the 12 Plus version, and the first, of course, is the frequent advanced updates and app upgrades. And a very interesting bonus here is the weekly live streaming with me. We're going to be doing a Q&A session for Robolinux users, and the users can request tutorials, and we'll go over those during the weekly live streaming events where you'll be able to ask questions. Then you have Stealth VM in 12 Plus, which is already installed and activated, ready to be used, and of course you have access to, with no charge, one-click, fully built Windows 7 and 10 VM installers. So that way you can just go to Stealth VM and click one button and you get your Windows installed. And you have C Drive to VM already downloaded in your Downloads folder, okay, ready for you to use if you want to clone an existing Windows partition. Then we have the Robo Tracker in 12 Plus, which is ready for you to activate. If you've already bought an Untracker and you're using the same machine, then you don't need to order another one to be coded for you by me. And on Robo Fastboot, it's ready to go, ready to activate. That's all up to you. If you want to reduce your boot speed down to about anywhere between 5 and 7 seconds, as long as you've got machine that was built in the last 5 years, you can do that. If you bring in a 12-year-old machine, well, nothing we can do for that. Okay, the backdoor security ready for you to activate, and then the app installer is all already preloaded and ready for you to run immediately. And every update and upgrade, which is pretty much what an auto upgrade is, I'll be adding more applications that you can install in one click. And of course, those will be based on user requests. Then of course, Robolinux Series 11 to 12 migration support. And I will help you migrate your Stealth VM. I've got a very cool trick to create a pc.vhd file directly from about 3 clicks in VirtualBox. I'm going to have a video for that. And then you just copy it to your external drive and put a copy in the downloads folder, click your Windows installer and Stealth VM, and bang, you're right back where you started. So now the first step is, obviously I can't do all this for free, otherwise I'd be dead because I'd starve to death. So I'm asking you to pay for a subscription per year. Okay, that way I'm not going to end up homeless again. And if you act before January 1st, you'll save $60, and that's a considerable amount. The normal price is $124.95. Step 2, you're going to receive a 12 plus installer tar file as an attachment via email. And the way that gets triggered is from the PayPal receipt. I then send you your file that you just put in your downloads folder. If your OS is running a foreign language, please create an English downloads folder in your home username directory, otherwise it will fail to install. And step 3, we're going to go through in a second here. All it is going to installers in the Robolinux 12 and then clicking on the 12 plus installer. And you'll get everything like this. And I'm going to show you how that works right now. So here we go. Now, I've already got the tar file in the downloads folder. See how I leave it there and I don't extract it so that it breaks? I just leave it right there in the downloads folder. It's an English downloads folder. And I go over here and I just go up to installers and click it. I type in my password. And now Robolinux 12 Plus is fully installed and ready to use. And it is going to take you to the 12 Plus FAQs, which I had to rewrite from scratch. You'll note that the 12 series regular version has FAQs here, and the 12 Pluses are over here. Nicely organized. And what do we have? We have everything I told you we'd have. Backdoor security, all the installers, several things in internet. For example, you can get your Brave privacy browser. You can pick up a secure VPN here. You can do screen sharing. And there's Fastboot and the Untracker. And Stealth VM, of course, was already ready to go. Once this was installed, don't have to do an install for Stealth VM anymore. You do have to install the VirtualBox, but that's easy. It's one click. And so there you go. That's how 12 Plus works. And here is the Series 12 Mate version. And the first thing you're going to notice right away is the very sleek main menu. It's just better laid out. You can get, easier access to the description of each of the menu items. It's just much better. It's faster to use it. It's of course, if you want to go to the other menus, you can. Everything's configurable. And here is the Series 12 Xfce version, and it's very pretty. And of course, very lovely menu system. And what you're going to find in this one, when you add the optional 12 Plus, you're actually going to see all the main menu options for Untracker, backdoor security, Stealth VM, and fastboot. And so I was able to do that in this version of Xfce. Okay, so we've just about reached the end of the Robolinux Series 12 launch video, and as many of you who know me very well, I do everything I can to spread the truth. And this particular truth is, this is about your eternity. This is your choice whether you're going to spend eternity in the Shamayim, which is heaven, or if you're going to go to the outer darkness. And I'm going to show you why. Now, if you take this vaccine, which is the mark of the beast, and it is written that you will not be accepted in heaven because it in fact changes you, and you need to watch this video. This is done by professional doctors, fact-checked. You need to go to www.stopworldcontrol.com/videos. And of course, if you go to the regular website, you can get all the proof you need to find out that this was a crime against humanity. The whole thing was a scamdemic. The PCR tests are not even there. You can't test anything. And of course, the CDC already said that, they can't find the virus. They can't isolate it. It doesn't exist. The masks, that people are wearing, the box from the manufacturer says they don't do anything. People, I'm praying for you. Please do not take this vaccination. Your eternity is at stake. And I'd like to just close with a few thoughts and then a prayer, as always. I really hope that you have a lovely day somehow in this absolutely insane world. And may Yahweh bless you and your family greatly. And this is Robo, and I'm out.